All right, guys, so open up your trunk, you should have two little pull tabs so that you can pull the seats down. So right here in the trunk, you pull on here, and then over here, and your seats go forward. And make sure that you take the seat belts and move them out of the way. So you got the seat completely down like this. And we're gonna put this seat down as well. So we should have access. All right, so put the rubber seal here. I'm gonna take this trim off. So you're gonna pull this piece forward so that you can take, it's like a little jigsaw puzzle here. You take this piece out, you're gonna get this piece out so we can pull the tray. So you're gonna get this piece forward so it unclips from there. Get this next piece, make sure the rubber piece is out of the way. This piece, you're gonna pull out this way, it's got a hook there. And then you're gonna pop the clips here like that, and then you're gonna pull this way, back towards you. Pop these up. And this should just pull up. There it goes. Slide the seat belts out of there and there. Pull this piece off of here. Slide that seat belt out. And you can pull the whole tray out. Okay guys, so make sure that you have all three clips. So if you see back there, there's one there, there's one there, one there, there, and then there's one in the corner. And those correspond to these that are right here along the panel here, okay? So we wanna slide that in, kind of keep it up. And then once we get the seat belts kind of slid in back through these holes, these slits right here, over there. Then once we line it up, we're gonna snap it into place. And then just make sure that these harnesses are back down where they're supposed to be. And lift it up. Be very careful if the window is tinted. You don't wanna just push it up there and then scratch your tint. So I'm gonna get that up and over. Let's get these seat belts back in there, in all three spots. Once you get it down, there's only 3 clips, so once that's in, that's in. Get our little piece right here, hook that back on. Snap it back into place. And then we'll start to put our side pieces on. First piece we're going to put back in is going to be the side piece here. And then these hook into the panel. So they're going to hook in first like that. And then you're going to find there's a clip here, 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 and here. So there's 4 clips. You want to line those up. Try to see where the holes are, here, here, and then there we go. Next piece, this one here, you notice it has guides there and there. They got to go into here and here. Those are 2 of the guides, and then the other one's got to go right here. So make sure we get that rubber piece out of the way. And we want to try to pull this back. We want to get it behind there. And then slide it into place. And then this last piece has guide here, and it has a clip right here. So those will go into those little spots right there. And then on this one, there's a hook here. So this hook has to hook in. So as you're trying to push this in, we want to try to line it up, hook it, and then slide it over like that. And then we'll put our rubber piece back in. Okay, same thing. Make sure you have all your clips on here. Should have 4. We're gonna hook those spots right there on the panel. And I gotta be careful here because I got my cable for my camera. So now, push it in. Make sure that those 2 line up. So the next step here would be to put this piece in. Same thing. We have guides go into here and here. And that one's gonna go in there. So then the main one goes here. So there's 1, 2, 3 guides. So we got 1, 2, 3, right? One here, and then the other 2, and then that one will go in there. Just kind of pull this back, set this in there, line those up. Sit. Okay. You got to make sure it goes in or else you're going to have a gap here, okay? And then this one here, again, there's a guide right there. That's got to go in. And then these ones go in right here. Just got to kind of push that in. Get our rubber piece. Put that back on. And that'll do it.